Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see PSUR section 2, which talks about worldwide marketing authorization status. So cumulatively any MAH in worldwide, wherever they have got a authorization to launch their or to market their particular product, they would be giving their particular status. So anyways, in the guideline they have given what needs to be covered. That is, they have given us date of first authorization and what is the indications, dose, what are all the doses you have, and where it is authorized. So all these things you need to be covered. Usually it depends upon the company how they are practicing, because guidelines always they are providing a boundary how to provide the information. And some companies they will make in this particular section itself, they will create a table and what is the name of the the generic name, and what is the active ingredient name, and what form they have, and what dose they have, and which country they have, and what date they got an authorization or approval. So they would be giving this row by row, they would be giving in this way. And the first authorization, they could be called it as we know that IBD. So in that particular row they can give as a star mark, and they would have given in a footnote that there is a first authorization something. Each company practice in a different way. First, that's okay, but we need to understand what guidelines talk about, what is the take home message, what is the challenge in this particular section. So when you go by authorization here, the main challenge what you need to do is whenever you are checking in this particular appendix, the first thing is whether the international birth rate is being captured in this particular WMOS, that you need to be checked. And whether this particular table is getting fit in this particular section itself, or sometimes the marketing authorization holder will create a separate PDF document and they will be attaching as a appendix. So that could be one of the challenge. Another challenge is usually some companies, whatever the cumulative status, they will be dumping the data, whether the active registration, the actively that particular authorization is still active, or in middle they would have got some kind of withdrawal suspension. So at the active registration at the time of DLP, they would have enclosed that entire file, or it's up to them how they are company practicing. But it is mostly entertained that at DLP, what is the authorization status. For example, previous year you might be having 100 countries, your product is authorized, actively registered, and actively it is available. And this time if you might be having 92 countries, and remaining 8 countries you might have withdrawn due to some commercial reason or safety reason. If it is safety reason, anyway some or some other where it is getting covered. But if it is something due to commercial reason or something, so anyways you are going to present only the 92 country list here, and you are going to provide some rationale at the footnote or something. So this is the way what it is been required for this particular section. Okay, when you compare these things into ICH, usually as I said, the term is always authorization or authorized. The term only it is being utilized only in the EU country only. Apart from EU, wherever you go, they will be using the term as approved. So that is the difference, and what you can able to see between GVP and the ICH. Okay, we can see other sections in the next class. Thank you.